and welcome back to Theme Park Explorer. Today we're here at not Alton Towers, Legoland Windsor for day 2. Check out the day 1 vlog and the hotel tour if you're interested. We stay at the Castle Hotel. So this is our second day. It's a Monday, technically the first day of summer holidays. We'll see how busy the park is. We'll go on some rides and let you know if there's any changes around the park. We'll see you on our first time you saw me was a couple of hours ago, but all we've been on is ice and fire free fall. It's a nice little drop tower, it bounces you up and down, and it's got a screen on each tower. There's 2. It's a great ride, to be honest. I would definitely go on it again. We're going to head on again, one of my favourites, Coast Guard HQ. See you there. Officially completed both sides of Minifigure Speedway. We ended up not going on Coast Guard HQ because it was the same length of Minifigure Speedway, and although Coast Guard HQ is one of my favourite rides here, we decided not to. Anyway, so we were on Team All Stars this time, I believe it was. Yes, Team All Stars, and we were at the front, and it was very fast. I feel like Team All Stars is faster. It's great. It's very intense still. You definitely get pushed down in your seat a lot, and then the airtime hill as you start up is good as well, if you can class it as an airtime hill. Also, as we were leaving the ride, we got asked if we wanted to go again, so of course we said yeah, sure. So we got a back ride on Team All Stars and a front ride, which was great as well. It's very whippy, so it's a great ride. Not sure what we're going to head on next, but we'll see you. Join us after a little while. We've just been to the Lego shop and bought some Lego. You have to buy something when you come to Lego. Lego is great, and especially the Lego flowers and things, I'm a big fan of them. Anyway, walking down, I thought we should mention Viking River Splash is still closed. It looks a bit bad sitting just dormant, but great construction wall so we can't see over, but from standing on the hill it looks like nothing has changed. But whatever comes, it'd be nice if we could see that massive Lego dragon there replaced to something else. But it's such a shame on such a warm day. You didn't get very wet, but it would soak up some of the cues from Viking River Splash. See, nothing going on this side. It does look a mess, considering there's abandoned rides and there's a thriving pirate town down there. It's not the best. Even if they just put a wall up here, something needs to be done to cover this up.